So this is the second part of OS making. So in this video I'm gonna implement two things. One, make the file system better. Two, add initrd. The commands and the source code will be in the description below. So you would like to do these things and play with the print underline underscore str. So now let's implement the initrd.img. So this is the command sudo mkfs.o space -o target /x86 underscore 64 /iso /boot /grubs /initrd.img. So let's run it. Note, you need to run this as root. So it's done. Now make sure to comment this line, and now you can play with it. You can, for example, I named it this. It doesn't matter. So remove. So there might be this line. So remove this line from the first part, and these two lines will be the same. And then you see I've added the initrd disk, initialized the initrd disk.img. So what's in this thing, we will see that later. It is so we need the definition of initrd disk. So in Linux systems, initrd is a scheme for loading a temporary root file system into memory. So you know what the RAM does. So it will just read it as the fat. So there's more. So one thing I forgot to include, that we need to block the thing, the ISO file. So one thing I've made change, just that build. I named this thing to build. It was build /x86 underscore 64, and I've added clean. You can find this, or if you wish, you could now immediately note this in your makefile, or you can download the source code. The link is in the description. Okay, anyways. So now I've noted these things from a book, these commands. So this and this thing are checked. Now let's add dd. This is essential. It will create, you will get the message of fit why. Now I'm gonna do some things. So insmod fat. So let me see what is insmod. These are binaries located in these directories. So let me copy that and seed into it. So these are the binaries. They name it as mod. So this is a boot hybrid.img. Is fat. fat.mod. So that means it's inside this directory. So let's get out of this. Again, let's refresh it. So that's insmod. So initialize the insmod fat. Now search. So you can add whatever you want, but it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 characters with a hyphen in the middle. 4 in the right, 4 in the left, and the hyphen in the middle. So this is the UID. So it will search for no-floppy, and if any disk is detected, then it will initialize the built-in ID. But it is not the built-in ID that I've given. It will be the image's built-in ID. So the editing of this file is finished. So what? So mkfs.fat dist x86_64 kernel.iso. So you need to sudo it. Sudo fatlabel dist. So sudo fatlabel dist and the ISO directory, and then your ID. So the commands will be on the description, and the file will also be on the description below. So let's save it and make. So now let's QML. Here it is. browser, commute. Let's wait. And here it is, our line, and no errors detected. So thank you for watching.